Hi students, today we are going to see how to draw the graph. This is your graph note. If you are not having, please come to your school and get the graph note. Okay, so this is your first page of the graph note. So you should write your name, class, okay, and subject. Leave one page of your graph note. So you continue the second page. So here you should write the date, and this is your first sum. Example 3.41. Draw a straight line by joining the points -2, 6 and B4, -3. So here you should draw the straight lines. This is using scale. Draw a straight line. First x-axis, then y-axis, and next write the scales. So here maximum number of x-axis is 4, so we take only 1 unit is enough, and similarly y-axis is 6, so we take 1 unit is enough. So x-axis 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, so this we take 1 units. Similarly y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 units. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 x-axis. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 x dash. Next 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9 y-axis, y dash -1, -2, -3 etc. -9. So next we are going to plot the point. First point, A point is -2, 6. So writing things are come to this side and drawing this side. So here we use pen, here we use pencil only. So try to write without overwriting, because if you erase it, it's look like ugly. So try to avoid overwriting. So first point, -2, 6, -2, 6, A point -2, 6. So x-axis -2, y-axis 6. So x-axis -2, x-axis -2 here, and y-axis +6 here. So the joining, you can see the line, this point A -2, 6. Okay, that point. Okay, next 4, -3, x-axis 4 here, x-axis 4, and y-axis -3, -3 is here. So the line joining point here, you can see the line from 4 and -3. So two line joining here. So this line is B4, -3. So this is the way to plotting the point. Next they are asking to draw a straight line by joining these points. So I use the scale. So this is your first graph. Okay, next second graph. Example 3.42. Draw a straight line by joining the points A point 2, 5, B point -5, -2, and M point -5, 4, and here N point 1, -2. Okay, so first you draw the x-axis line. This is x-axis line. Next y-axis line. So here also in x-axis maximum value 2, -5, minus 5, 1. So maximum value is 2, in lowest point minus 5. So scale, we take 1 unit. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Y-axis is also 1 unit because the value is 5 minus 2, 4 minus 2, maximum value is 5. So we take 1 unit is enough. So Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So this is X-axis, X dash, Y, Y dash, origin 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Okay, let's see. Now we are going to plot the points. A point 2, 5. X-axis 2 and Y-axis 5. So these two lines intersect here. So this is A point 2, 5. Next B point minus 5, 2. X-axis minus 5, Y-axis 2. So 5, 2 intersecting here. 5, minus 2. Y-axis minus 2 here, minus 5 here. So intersecting point. This is B point minus 5, minus 2. Okay. Next M point minus 5, 4. Minus 5, 4. X-axis minus and Y-axis plus 4 here. So this is M point minus 5, 4. Okay. Next N point 1, minus 2. X-axis 1, Y-axis minus 2. This is N point 1, minus 2. So now join the points. First is joining AB. Next MN. So an intersecting point is here, the two line intersecting at x-axis minus 2 and y-axis is 1. Therefore the intersecting point is x-axis minus 2, y-axis plus 1. So minus 2, 1. Okay.